Oh dear, I have too much housework today. Oh dear, I have too much housework today.
Don't worry, I will do the laundry. Don't worry, I will do the laundry.
Really? Huh? Really?
Trust me. Yes, trust me.
That is nice. Thank you. That is nice. Thank you. But that worries me. But that worries me.
Okay, I am a laundry expert now. Okay, I am a laundry expert now. Let's carry the basket to the washing machine. Let's carry the basket to the washing machine. Open the washing machine. Open the washing machine. Put all the clothes in. Put all the clothes in. Okay, all done. Now I add the detergent. Now I add the detergent. But how much? But how much? I think more is better. I think more is better. Oh no, I spilled the detergent everywhere. Oh no, I spilled the detergent everywhere. Clean it quickly. Okay, safe. Clean it quickly. Okay, safe. Now I press the start button. Now I press the start button. See? I can do it. See? I can do it. I can do laundry. I can do laundry by myself. Very easy. Very easy.
I hope he can handle the laundry. I hope he can handle the laundry. What is that noise? What is that noise? Is that the washing machine? Is that the washing machine? Mr. Brown, why is the machine so loud? Mr. Brown, why is the machine so loud? It sounds like an airplane. It sounds like an airplane.
Don't worry. Everything is fine. Don't worry. Everything is fine. Oh no, why is it shaking like this? Oh no, why is it shaking like this? It is overloaded. It is overloaded. Too many clothes. Too many clothes. I need to take some out. I need to take some out. Okay, start again. Okay, start again. Everything is fine. Let's go down to the living room and wait. Finally, the machine beeps. Finally, the machine beeps.
Let's hang the clothes together. Let's hang the clothes together.
Sure, sure. It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
Perfect for drying clothes outside. Perfect for drying clothes outside.
Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this?
What happened? What happened?
Why is my shirt pink? Why is my shirt pink? It was a white shirt. It was a white shirt. Look, there is a red sock inside. Look, there is a red sock inside.
Oh, I am so sorry, my dear. Oh, I am so sorry, my dear. But is it stylish? But is it stylish?
You are unbelievable. Next time, please separate the clothes. Next time, please separate the clothes.
Yes, I understand. I will remember. I will remember. Thank you for not being angry. Thank you for not being angry.
That's okay. That's okay. It's just a shirt. It's just a shirt.
You are the best. You are the best. I promise, next time I'll do it better. I'll be the best laundryman.